This tunnel is supposedly 7 kilometers long. But the government sold it to the private sectors. Muna na-preserve nila nga ni Ma'am Sir was 150 meters. So this is also privately owned. So some owners lang, sad to say, nagtuma na silang mga buildings, balay. So kitabunan, kitambakan ng ilang tunnel. But this is historical tunnel po ha. Dili na siya hinimo-himo lang. This is used by the Japanese Imperial Army as their hideout during the World War II. So 1942, the World War II was started, and it was ended naman 1945. So they've been here for 3 years. Kauban ang mga Filipinos. The Filipinos are slaves because they are captured from different places in the Philippines. Kunya, ipakadot sila ni duha ug tunga ka tuig. Imagine duha tunga ka tuig walay pahulay, walay kaunay. Ganun na nga matay diri Ma'am Sir. Thousands of Filipinos ang nangamatay dito. Pagka-discover it was year 1968 na. So that was the time also pagka-discover na ang tubig ani puno rin tubig naman sir. So they use pumping machine to drain the water. Unya nakita na rin mga bones, skeletons, and bombs, guns, uniforms, flags. Mo nila nakita ang dissolute. And then the main is the treasure. The Cambodian treasure. 8 tons of gold bars and 12 inches golden Buddha.
Wala rin nabilin?
Sa manang loob kayo nabilin rin, ma'am. Sayang kayo, kita binili. Mo na ilang manitest room. So, una pa na yung manitest.
May pa sila.
Dili sila gamitin, ma'am. And the other side was the prayer room. So those are replica na lang. We put that as picture purposes. So the wall, the ceiling, and the size of this tunnel was original. Ikabyuan na lang yun ang kanyang floor. The original yuta mo yun yung sila. Yung siya ang kabinti na tubig. Kisa ba ito first one? Picture ang tama rin. Picture sa mo rin, ma'am. Dahil sila ng food. Ulitin nyo na